Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to new English lesson. Today's lesson is very interesting. We are going to learn different words to describe someone's voice. Everybody has his own unique distinctive voice which is different from others. There are so many adjectives in English language that can help you to describe a voice, and today we are going to learn some of them to improve our vocabulary. So let's begin with our lesson. Fruity. If something is fruity, the first thing comes into our mind is something smells and tastes like a fruit. A fruity voice is a voice that is very pleasant and rich, which has depth in it. Such voice is very pleasing to ears. Many voiceover artists have such fruity voice. Grating. A loud, harsh and irritating voice which is very unpleasant to ears is called as grating voice. This is opposite to fruity voice. There are some people who speak in loud, rough way and their voice is very annoying. You can say they have a grating voice. Flat. A flat voice is that doesn't has ups and downs in it. It's just a monotonous voice that remains on same pitch and level. Such voice and way of speaking is boring, not so attractive. It's like as if some robot or a machine is speaking. Croaky. Croaky is a voice that is low and rough in sound. You may have noticed if someone has bad throat, their voice becomes rough and low. Such voice is called croaky. Adenoidal. People who has adenoidal voice, it seems like as if they are speaking from their nose. It's a nasal voice. You know what, right now I have bad throat and flu as well, and my voice is partially croaky and partially adenoidal, and I'm sorry for that. Breathy. You may have noticed some people breathe a lot while speaking, and noise of their breath is quite loud that you can hear that easily. Such voices that contain loud breath noises in it are called breathy voices. Brittle. Brittle is a voice that has a feeling of instability and nervousness in it. If someone is speaking in a brittle voice, you can feel as if that person is just about to cry. Maybe that person is feeling down inside and it's reflecting in his or her voice. Dead. If something is dead, what does it mean? It means that thing is not alive. It doesn't has life in it. Similarly, if a voice is dead, it means that voice is not alive. It doesn't has liveliness, brightness and emotions in it. An emotionless voice is a dead voice. Honeyed. As you can guess it from its name, honeyed voice is very nice and sweet voice, just like honey. It's very pleasing to ears. It's soft, sweet and very attractive voice. Husky. Husky voice is very deep and attractive voice. This word is mostly used for men who have low, deep and rough voice that is very attractive to opposite gender. I'm personally very attracted towards husky voice. I like them. Modulated. Basically, word modulation means to control or adjust something. So a modulated voice is something when someone adjusts their tone of their voice or pitch of their voice according to something. Mostly actors and singers do that. Actors modulate their voice according to their character, and singer modulates their voice to adjust according to the requirement of the song they are singing. Orotund. Orotund is a very strong, stern and powerful voice. Such voice has power to intimidate you. It has strength and clarity in it, and people who possess such voice come across as a very domineering and strong personality. Okay friends, that brings me to the end of this lesson. I hope you have learned something new. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I will see you in next lesson. Allah Hafiz.